Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the integer types. This video is the complete theoretical video, so you just need to know a few facts about the integer types of the Go language. So this is why I'm just describing them here. So the very first integer type is the uint8. U integer means the unsigned integer, and because it is uint8 like this one 8, so this is actually the unsigned 8-bit integer. Again, I need these signs to make it good for us. Okay, this starts from 0 to 255. In the same context, there is another one which is uint16. It is 16-bit unsigned, like this one, unsigned 16-bit integer. It starts from 0 and it goes up to 65535 numbered. This is a big digit after all. They're all considered as the integer anyway, but the levels. There is another one which is uint32, and it is again the unsigned 32-bit integer, and it starts from 0 to 429496725. It is a big number anyway. Now it comes to the basic integer. So this is actually signed integer, and this is called int8, not the uint8. So this is actually the signed integer. It starts from -128 to 127. This is the int8 integer, means the 8-bit integer. Now int16 here, which is again the signed integer. It starts from -32 768 to 32 767. Then if we talk about the int32, so it is again the signed. First I need to add the comments. Signed integer, which starts from -21474833648, and it goes up to 21474833647. Okay, now in the same direction there is another one which is int64, and if we go down, it is again something interesting integer, and it starts from, it's a real big number by the way, 92233768547758808. okay, and it goes up to 9223372036854775807. okay, so now let's talk about another type of the integer, which is actually the floating points. Now we're talking about the floating points. We will discuss about them too But by now, actually, what's the difference between a simple integer and the floating point? Floating point is like 5.20. It has the point. Okay, it is just like, decimal number. And an integer is like 5. An integer can be 5, 6, 7, 10, but the floating point can be 5.20, 7.39, like this one. There are multiple kind of the floating points in types, like if we talk about the types, there is the float 32, and it is a 32-bit floating point number. There is float 64, then there is complex 64, and then there is complex 128. These are the floating points. Now, if I talk about how we actually can check the value of any number, to check the data type of any integer, all we need is to first make a variable, like I'm making the variable, suppose var3. I'm putting 5 here, and I'm going down and I'm typing fmt.print. I need to press F, and inside the F I'm going to type the var3, the variable. Here I'm adding the comma tn. Now save it. Now we just need to go there and we need to go to the terminal to check it. So we're gonna have the value, the data type, which is integer. If we actually make another variable, the var4, and equals to, I'm adding 5.34, and if I just duplicate that, simple, and I'm going here, and here I'm just making it var4, save, and now going back there. Now you would notice this is the integer and this is the float 64. This is how we can check the data types and the differences of the data types. So this is how it works. So in the next video we will talk about something more about the Go language. Till then, stay tuned.